Who's got the flower? I'll probably zoom that in too. I'll trade you.
Just double tap the top.
Double tap the top.
How was it? Cruise?
Chill.
More of a V2 than a V3?
Yeah. There's two crimps up there. They're kind of not chalked.
Yeah, you didn't use that side crimp one.
I think I bumped to it eventually. No,
Awesome.
but I used two crimps that are like bigger than the crimps we were just using.
I brought my foot up. Yeah. He's like hitting. Yeah, you got it. Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a little bit hidden, but once you find it, it's really good. Right there. Yeah, there's another one. Come on. Yeah, dude. Nice.
They're hard to find.
They're there. It's just like you don't see them when you're looking until you feel it.
Well, yeah.
Can you turn mine off?